Very good morning to you all, students and all. Uh, Yesterday we already learned the algebraic lesson, starting lesson, types of expressions, addition of expression and subtraction also. Okay. Today we are going to learn the next operation, that is multiplication. Okay, which is very simple. You can do by your own way. Okay. Nankar, I am from Adarsh Nagar Municipal English School. Our today's topic is algebraic expression part 2 and the subject is mathematics. Okay. Dear students, our today's learning outcomes are given here. You will come to know like and unlike terms. Before solving any sum, you should know what are like terms and unlike terms because they are very helpful. This outcome is very helpful to know while solving. Okay. Reading of algebraic expressions, multiplication of algebraic expressions, equation with one variable. Okay, these points we will cover in this session. We will move towards the next slide. Okay, as it is, we already learned that this table is very important, students. Term means any number or number with variable or only a variable. Okay. Look at coefficient. Coefficient means numbers, and variables. Variables means alphabets. Understood this? Keep in your mind. Variables means alphabets. Coefficient means numbers. Okay. Look at the next slide. Okay, students. Look at the these two columns are also very important while solving multiplication. Like terms. When we are taking together while operating or while solving, we should know the like terms. Like terms means what? Like term means terms having same variables. Okay. Terms having same variables as well as terms with the same power. These are called like terms. Okay. Same variable and same power. So look at the unlike term. Unlike term means what? Different variables. Okay. Keep in this mind, different variables means unlike terms. Look at the next slide. Okay, this is, let's learn multiplication of algebraic expression. Multiplying a monomial by a monomial. We already learned algebraic expression types: monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Monomial means a term, only one term. Algebraic equation having one term, that is monomial. Binomial means two terms are there. Trinomial, three terms are there. Polynomial, more than three terms are there in this expression. Okay. Look at the example given. Same example given on the left side and right side. Only difference is that the minus sign is there. Okay. 3x into 12y. 3x into 12y. There are two algebraic expressions given. 3x is the first, that having only one term, so it is monomial, and the second is also 12y, that is also one term, and that is monomial. It means monomial into monomial. We have to solve this. Now look at the first step. What is the first step? In the first step, you have to multiply coefficient with coefficient and variable with variable. Variable means alphabet different and coefficient make different in the first step. So what was our last step or the second step? That is coefficient into coefficient. What are two coefficients are there? 12 into 3. 12 into 3, 12 3s are 36. So 36 is there. And x into y, xy. So 36 xy is the answer of this equation. Look at the second right hand side. In the same way, it is written minus 12 sign is there. Minus 12 into 3, 12 3s are 36, and y square is there. Okay, y square means y into y. Y square means y into y. Okay, and 12x variable is x is given there. So x into y square given in the second step. Okay. 30 minus 36 xy square is the answer. Look at the next slide. Now the next is we understood monomial into monomial. Now it is we will learn binomial by a monomial. Okay, binomial. Okay, look at the example in the bracket given. The two algebraic equations are given. Look at the before multiplication 7x minus 6y. Two terms are there. Okay, 7x minus 6y. So binomial is there. Into only one term is there, 3z. So 3z is a monomial. It means binomial into monomial. We have to solve this now. Look at the first slide. Bracket, remove bracket, 7x into 3z minus 6y into 3z. Why it is given? Because we have to multiply 3z with not only one term but also both the terms. We have to multiply both the terms, 7x also and 6y also. So 3z with take 3z, 7x into 3z minus 6y into 3z. So now the next step is take coefficients together and variables together. 7 into 3 multiply x into z, their coefficients. Coefficients different and variables different. Again, next minus sign is there before 6y. So 6y make different this coefficient and variable. Minus 6 is a coefficient different written. Okay, and y is different written. Okay, and the next is minus after 6y, last term is 3z. So in the 3z written 3 after 6 into 3, 6 minus 6 into 3 multiply y into z. So the answer is 7 into 3, 21 xz. 7 into 3, 7 3s are 21. So 21 is there. And x into z, write as it is, xz. Minus, written as it is, 6 into 3, how much? 6 3s are 18. Yes. Y into z, yz. So 21 xz minus 18 yz is the answer of this equation. Look at the next slide. Multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Okay, binomial into binomial. We understood monomial into monomial, binomial into monomial, and the next step is binomial into binomial. It means both the expressions having binomials. First expression is 3x plus 4y, bracket close. In the second bracket 5x plus 7y. Between the brackets there is nothing written sign. We will consider there is a product, there is a multiplication sign is there between the two brackets if sign is not given there. Always keep in mind between the bracket there is always multiplication. Okay. Now what we do here, look at the first expression, take 3x from the first and write down as it is the second expression, 3x into 5x plus 7y, bracket close, plus 4y. Take 4y from the first bracket plus 4y written and write down as it is second expression, 5x plus 7y. Okay, now the next step is to solve this first step. 3x into 5x, you have to multiply both the terms in the bracket by 3x. 3x multiply 5x, 3x multiply 7y. Okay, now put the sign plus as it is, that is 4y. Now we have to multiply 4y to the both the terms in the second bracket. Okay, 4y multiply 5x plus 4y multiply 7y. Now look at the next step. 3 5 are 15x square is there. 3 5 are 15, we already know. And x into x, what? How much? We have to multiply this. While multiplying the variables, we have to put square or index square of that variable. So 15x square is the answer of 3x into 5x. Now look at the next. 3x into 7y. 3 7s are 21. So variables are different. So we have written as it is xy. 21xy. Look at the next, plus sign as it is given. 4 5s are 20. Variables are different. So we have written as it is xy, 20xy, plus 5 4s are 28. 5 4s are 28. Sorry, 4 5s are 20 as it is completed, 20 xy, plus next is 4y into 7y. 4 7s are 28y square is there. Okay, in this way, this is the second last step. Now the last step is 15x square plus, now we have to add both the terms, 21xy plus 20xy. So what will be the answer? 21 plus 20, that is 41xy. 41xy. Okay, and the last is 28y square as it is written. So the answer is 15x square plus 41xy plus 28y square. So this is binomial by a binomial multiplication. So look at the next slide. This is practice set 35. Now we are going to solve this. Okay, there are multiply given. Okay, okay, look at the first question in this practice set 35. 16xy into 18xy. Monomial into monomial. Okay, now we have to multiply coefficient into coefficient. What are the coefficients? 16 in the first term, 18 in the second expression. So 16 into 18. And the next step is to write down variables in the multiplication, x into y, x into y as it is. Okay, there are 2x and 2y. Okay, 16 into, look at the last step, 16 into 18, how much? 288. And the next is xx, x into x, x square, y into y, y square. So 288 x square, y square is the answer of this equation. Look at the next step, 23 xy square into 4yz square. Monomial into monomial. Okay, and both are like terms, so we can multiply. Yes, 23 into 4. These are the coefficients written nearby. And the next is to write variables in multiplication, x into y square into y into z square. So look at 23 into 4, how much? 23 4s are 92. 23 4s are 92. Yes. Learn the tables. You can write directly, or then if you not learn the tables, then multiply on one page. You will solve this. 23 into 4, 92. So how many x's are there? Only one x is there. So 92. After 92, we have written x is there. How many y is there? Y square into y. Y square into y, how much? Y cube. Y cube. Okay. We have already learned in the indices lesson, if in the multiplication, if the terms are in multiplication form, we have to add their index. So what is the index of y? Square. And in the second y, only 1 is there. Nothing written, then you have to consider only 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Y cube is there. Okay. 92 x y cube, and the last one is z square as it is written. This is the answer. Look at the next slide. Dear students, now this is the binomial into monomial. 12a Now we have to multiply this monomial with both the terms in that first equation. Okay, it means 4c into 12a, 4c into 17b. In the first step also, we have written in the same way 12a into 4c plus 17b into 4c. So what was our second step? Take coefficients nearby and the next variables. Okay, so in the same way we have taken in the second step, look, 12 into 4 into a into c. Okay, look, we have written plus as it is 17 into 4 coefficients in the second term, coefficients written 17 into 4 and into b into c. These are the variables written. Okay, now we have to multiply coefficient with coefficient and variable with variable. Okay, look at the first side, 12 into 4, how much? 12 4s are 48, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36 and 12 4s are 48 if you learn the tables. So table learning is very important while solving any multiplication operation. Okay, in the mathematical basic operation also and in algebraic expression also, in division also, you will need tables. So you should have the knowledge of tables till 20 or till 30. Every student should learn the tables. Okay, 12 4s are 48. So a into c, how much? We have written as it is a into c. These are the unlike variables. So we have written as it is ac. 48 ac is the answer. Plus 17 into 4. 17 4s are how much? 68. Yes, 17 into 4, 68. 17 2s are 32. 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68. Very good. Who is reading the table? Come on, read.
Sir, can I?
Yes, you can.
12a plus 17b into 4c is equals to 12a into 4c plus 17b into 4c. 12 into 4 into a into c plus 17 into 14 into b into c is equals to 48 ac plus 68 bc.
Okay, very good, beta. Nice reading. Okay, so the answer is 48 AC plus 68 BC. Okay, we have written as it is B into C because they are different variables. Look at the next slide. This is the equation written in word problem. This is okay. Now we have to solve also word problems. Question number 2 of practice set 35. A rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter long and 5x plus 3 centimeter broad. Okay, everybody knows that rectangle. Look at the slide. This slide also a rectangle form. Okay, not square, not triangle. This slide is rectangle form. So long distance is 8x plus 5 and the broad of the rectangle is 5x plus 3. Okay, length is given. Answer, look at the answer. Length of the rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter. Always length written in centimeter form. Breadth of rectangle is 5x plus 3 centimeter. Area of rectangle. Now this is very important. You have to know how to find area. But while finding the area, we have to learn the formula of area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay, it means that we have to multiply first expression into second expression. What is the first expression? 8x plus 5, that is binomial, and the second expression 5x plus 3, that is second expression. Now take as it is what we are taking. we are taking first term of the first expression, that is 8x, multiply by the full expression of second full expression, that is 5x plus 3. In the same way, we have taken second term of the first expression. What is the second term of first expression? That is 5. 5 into second expression written as it is 5x plus 3. Okay, 5 into 5x plus 3 in the bracket. So solve this bracket. Operate this bracket. 8x into 5. Now we will take one by one. Okay, 8x into 5x. How much? 8 5s are 40x square. 8 5s are 40. Everybody knows table of 8. Okay, if you not, then learn the tables. 8 5s are 40. X into x, x square. So the next plus 8x into 3. 8 3s are 24x. Okay, 8 3s are 24. The x is written as it is. Plus 3 5s are how much? Plus, sorry, 8 3s are 20x. Then again next is 5 into 5. 5 into 5, how much? 5 5s are 25. Written x as it is. And the next is 5 3s are 15. Only coefficients in the last step. 5 3s are 15 is there. So the answer is 14x square plus 49x. How much 49? How the number came? 24x plus 25x. 25 plus 24, how much? 49, you know. If you add 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 2, 4. 49x. And the last one is 15 as it is given. So area of rectangle is 40x square, 49x plus 15 written here, and centimeter square is there. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square written is it is. So we have found the area of rectangle. In this way we can solve word problem also. Look at the next slide. Equation is in one variable. This is also very important topic. Solve the following equations. Look at the first. There are 4 equations given. X plus 7 is equal to 4. Then how it is? We find x is equal to minus 3. Dear students, now keep in mind there are 2 sides of the equation. On the is equal to left hand side is there. On the is equal to right hand side is there. What was written on the right hand side of first equation? That is 4. Only one coefficient or only one number is given. What was written on the first left hand side? X plus 7 is written. Okay. So if the number postponed from one side to another side, the signs changed. Okay. If plus on the right hand side, left hand side, then if you taken this number on the right hand side, the sign changed. Okay. In the same way, if multiplication is there on the left hand side, if you take this number on the right hand side, then multiplication का division होगा. If division on the left hand side, multiplication होगा right hand side में. While solving, you will understand easily. Okay. Practice is very important while solving anything. Let's learn this. Okay. Example: 2x plus 2 plus is equal to 8. 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. Hence 2x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 2. We have minus 2 on the both the side, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, 2x is equal to 6 is there. 8 minus 2, 6, and 2 minus 2 in the left hand side, 2 minus 2, 0. So 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3. How x is equal to 3? Yes, I will tell you. Write down x. If we take 2 in the term 2x, if we take the 2 on the right hand side, it will postpone in the division form. What is the sign between 2x? The sign between 2 and x is multiplication. So multiplication का right hand side में जाके division होगा. So x is equal to 6 upon 2 होगा. So what is the answer of 6 upon 2? Count the table of 2 till 6. 2 3 are 6. So x is equal to 3. Okay. So look at the bottom line. Remember what was written there. From the solve examples above, we see that if a term is transposed, transpose means we have taken from left hand side to the right hand side. That is transposed from one side to the other side. किसके वन साइड टू अदर साइड लेना है? इक्वल टू साइन के. इक्वल टू साइन in the equation, that term sign must be changed. Okay, which is I already told you. Look at the slide, next slide. Practice set 36, which is a question of multiple choice question, and students like multiple choice questions. Even scholarship also, that type of sums came in the scholarship. Okay, that is 8th standard scholarship also, that type of sums came. Simplify. There are two equations, 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y, and choose the right answer. There are options given 1 2 3 4 options given. Okay, now we will solve this. This is the minus. We already solve these sums, that type of sums, yesterday's lesson. So open the brackets. 3x minus 11y minus 17x minus plus minus minus 13y. Okay, we put together the same terms or like terms. 3x minus 17x, x terms we will take together. 3x minus 17 bracket close plus minus 11y minus 13y. Okay, so solve this. 3x minus 17, how much? 14. Minus 14x is there. Why we have put minus sign is there? Because big number have their sign in the answer. Minus 14x plus 11y minus 13y. Minus. If negative number, what is the answer? Positive answer. Okay, but write the negative sign. Positive answer, but write the negative sign. 11 plus 13, how much? 24, and y written as it is, 24y minus 24y. 14x minus 24y. Okay, now look at the next step, that is very important. Can we write in the another form this equation? Okay, count the table. In which table that two numbers came, 14 and 24. Which number is divided by these numbers? Of course, 2 number is divided by. We can divide 14 by 2. We can divide 24 by 2 also. So take 2 from out of the bracket. In bracket, we have written 7x plus 12y. Okay. Why we return? Because 2 7s are 14x and 2 12s are 24y. Answer will be same. We know answer is 14x minus 24y, but this is not in the option. Okay, so we have written in the another form, that is we have taken 2 as a common between that two terms and write 7x plus 12y in the bracket. Okay, and that, where is the answer? Minus 2 in bracket 7x plus 12y. Option number 1 2 3 4. Yes, that is the option number 4 is the answer. Okay, so the correct option is 4. Okay, look at the next slide. Same type of question is there. Okay, the answer is, that is in the same way we can solve this. Okay, question is there and answer also solve there. We have to multiply coefficient with coefficient, 23 into 15, and multiply variable into variable. So you will find the answer minus 345. How 345 came? 23 into 15, 345, x cube is there. Why x cube is there? X square into x cube. How much? X cube. X fifth. Index is 5. Y is fourth index. Z index is 3. Okay. So the correct option is option number 1. Now students, we will understand multiplication and equation with one. Students, we have to solve this. Take screenshot of this. Thank you, everybody. If you have doubt or any problem, please share with me.
I have a problem in equations in one variable.
One equation. Okay. Take ma'am one equation, one slide.
Equations in one variable.
Okay. Look at this
Sir,
question.
not
4x. This is also equation with one variable. Okay.
yes.
4x
Okay.
plus 1 by 2. Okay. Step 4x is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Why they changed? If we operate the equation with one variable, there is need to transpond from left hand side to the right hand side. Okay. So we have taken plus 1 by 2 to the right hand side. Okay. Near to the 9 by 2. So the sign changed. Whenever you have postponed left hand side number to the right hand side, that number sign is changed. Okay. So इसीलिए plus का minus हुआ है. 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So next step, look at the second step. 4x is equal to 9 minus 1 divided by 2. Why only divided by 2 is there? Because look at the first step, 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. In this equation, you will notice denominators are same. If denominators are same, we can solve, we can subtract numerators. Okay. What are the numerators? 9 minus 1. So in the second step, 4x is equal to 9 minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So look at the third step. It is solved. 4x is equal to 9 minus 1. How much? 9 minus 1, 8. 8 upon 2. So 4x is equal to 8 upon 2. What will be the answer? Count the table of 2 till 8. 2 4s are 8. So 4 is the answer. 4x is equal to 4. The next step is important. Okay. X is equal to 4 upon 4. Look at, there are two hands. Okay. Left hand side, right hand side also. Two sides. What will, if we take left hand side 4x. 4x in the multiplication form. Not written sign is there. But if we have to consider
multiplication sign is there.
4 into x. तो multiplication का division होगा right hand side में. Okay. So x is equal to 4 upon 4. Okay. So the answer is 4 ones are 4. X is equal to 1. Understood?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Thank you, everybody.